Okay guys, I'm about to show you how to do these viral flowers. If you've been seeing these like jelly type of flowers, I'm going to show you how to do them with polygel. This is just a quick video, so I'm just going to kind of do this quickly, and this is fast forwarded also. And I didn't really, try to perfect it or anything. I'm just showing you that you can do this, and I'm also showing you this technique with two brushes. So I'm using the brush that the polygel came with, and then I'm also going to be using a small detail brush that normally you would use with like acrylic flowers, but this specific polygel that I'm using is it's pretty good. It doesn't move fast. It sets like it self levels very slightly, slowly, so it's a good thing. So you can build each petal the way you want, and I do not make them perfectly round because I want it to look like more organic, you know what I mean? Like, I don't like the flower petals to all look exactly the same, and like I said, this is like very fast. So I decided to make this video, and I'm gonna also show you that you could do these with acrylic as well. So, if you didn't think that you could still do these jelly looking flowers, you can. I like the way that this specific polygel molds, because if you can tell, it's still thick, but at the same time it's so soft, and this one doesn't stick like some other brands that I do have. So I use this one mainly when I'm gonna do these flowers, and it works just as good as the other gel that they use. It's so similar, but it's a little softer, so I really like it. And I do a couple of petals at one time. I was gonna do all four, but I'm just showing you that you could do one at a time, cure between, or you can do so many, and it'll show you how much this specific gel how fast it will level, and it just slightly kind of gives it a little shine. These are the two brushes that I was using, and I'm going to show you that I'm going to use a thicker brush now. You can kind of just make it work with whatever detail brush you do have, whether you have the brush that comes with the kit or you have another little art brush. You could even use this with a toothpick or one of those little cuticle sticks, and just use some slip solution, or I use alcohol, like isopropyl alcohol with this one. I believe it's the 70%, and it works so well. Like, you can see that none of the polygel was sticking to my brush at all during this whole process. My arm is so glittery. And so yeah, like afterwards I'm just adding kind of like some little details just to kind of put the look together for you guys. But I just wanted to show you that you can use polygel, and this is what I've been using. I used to also use the clear acrylic, and I'll show you a video after this one with the clear acrylic, because it still looks very good, especially if you don't have that moldable putty gel, which I do have, but I do not like to have to get that out. I feel like this is just more, it's convenient, and I don't have to be touching the gel or worrying about the gel sticking to my glove or sticking to my finger or any of that. Don't touch the gel with your fingers, by the way. So yes, you can just design these the way your client wants to match their set, or whatever you two discuss. And I love these little micro beads. They're so cute. They just really add so much to the look. You can put rhinestone, you can put pearl, you can put whatever. Be creative. But you can use your polygels, and you don't have to use the clear. You can use the colored ones, the glitter ones. Go off. So yeah, have a blessed day.